Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing good in this pandemic situation. I am Gayatri from Primary English Department from Dilshanagar branch to teach you a new lesson of grade 5. I am here to tell you an interesting topic, that is Commonwealth and Asian Games. Children, do you like to play games? Yes, every one of you like to play games, right? Even me too, I'm very much interested in playing. Before starting the lesson, let us learn the difference between games and sports. People often say games and sports have to be the same, but games and sports are entirely different. A game involves more than one person and is played for fun and entertainment. A sport pertains only to an individual's skills which is carried out under some set of rules and is not only done for fun but also includes physical fitness. What is Commonwealth and Asian Games? Commonwealth Games are those the athletes can compete from all over the world, whereas the Asian Games are those where the athletes can participate only from Asia. Now let us learn about Commonwealth Games. Children, do you know when these Commonwealth Games are recently held? Yes, these Commonwealth Games are recently held in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia between 4th April to 15th April 2018.
Commonwealth Games are an international multi-sport event involving the athletes from all over the nation which were once associated with British Empire. Melville Max Robinson, he founded these games as the British Empire Games. These British Empire Games are now known as the Commonwealth Games. These Commonwealth Games were first held in 1930 in Hamilton, Canada. For the first time, the competing nations are Australia, Bermuda, British Guiana, Canada, England, Newfoundland, New Zealand, Scotland, Northern Ireland, South Africa and Wales. These Commonwealth Games takes place for every 4 years. But children, do you know these games were cancelled for 2 times? Do you know when and why it was cancelled? Yes, these games were cancelled in 1942 and 1946 due to World War II. At first, there are only 59 events, but women competed only in swimming events. Later on, there are several changes and some adjustments which includes Commonwealth, Winter Games and Youth Games. The first Commonwealth Games includes of 6 sports, but the hosting nations of these games must include a multiple number of sporting events for men and women. Children, do you know what is the best part of these Commonwealth Games? In Manchester 2002, it became a multi-sport event and it includes para-sports. What is para-sports? Sports which are conducted for physically disabled people. Is this not a best part of these games? Yes. The first, second and third place winners receive gold, silver and bronze medals in these games. The opening ceremony of these games have several rituals such as hoisting the Commonwealth Games flag and passing the Queen's baton. Do you know how many athletes have participated in these Commonwealth Games? Over 5,000 athletes have participated in more than 50 different sports and 250 different events. Starting at the second, that is in 1934, these games are conducted in New Delhi, India. India has participated in all the Commonwealth Games. Again in 2010, these games are hosted in India in Delhi. The first ever Commonwealth medal was won by Rashid Anwar. He won the bronze medal in the category of wrestling. The Commonwealth Games were all about coming together, learning from each other, making new friends
and enjoying the sports. So it is often called as friendly games. Games are again going to be held. These games are going to be held in Birmingham, England from 27th July to 7th August in 2022. This is all about Commonwealth Games. Now let us see about Asian Games. As earlier we said that Asian Games are for the athletes who can compete from all over Asia. Asian Games are also known as Asian. These Asian Games were first held in 1951 in New Delhi. Athletes from 11 nations have participated in these opening games, and these games are recognized by IOC, that is Indian Olympic Committee, and are described as the second largest multi-sport events after the Olympic Games. Gurudutt Santhi proposed Asian Games motto as ever onward. It means to move forward in spite of what obstacles face you and to never dwell on the past mistakes. Asian Games Federation was formed in 1949. The Asian Games symbol is bright sun in red with 16 rays and the white circle in the middle, which represents the ever-glimmering and the warm spirit of the Asian people. India has participated in all the Asian Games and is only one of the 7 countries that have competed in all the editions of the Asian Games. The other 6 countries are Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Singapore and Thailand. India has won at least 1 gold medal in each of the Asian Games and is ranked in top 10 positions except in 1990 Asian Games. This is all about Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. Now, did you get the complete information? Right. Now let us learn the grammar topic. Our grammar topic is present perfect progressive tense. What is progressive tense? Progressive tense is nothing but continuous tense. Now, let us see the definition of this present perfect progressive tense. An action that started in the past and it is still going on at the time of speaking. This tense is called present perfect progressive tense. The structure of this tense is subject plus has or have plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now, let us see the examples in the form of this structure. Example 1. She has been living in this house for 40 years. Example 2. I have been waiting for him since 10 a.m. Now, did you get the examples of both using has and have? Yes. Now, let us see the difference between for and since. For is used for a particular period of time. For example, as we earlier discussed that she has been living in this house for 40 years. It says that she has living there for 40 years. So it is a particular period of time she has been living there. Since. When we have to use since. Since is used for a particular point of time when something has started. Now, the example what we have taken. I have been waiting for him since 10 a.m. Now, here we are saying about the time from where and when we are waiting. Now, this is all the present perfect progressive tense. Hope you enjoyed this and understand this.